DMT Explorers, first glimpse of a fully mapped dimension. Introduction. The collective quest for mapping the uncharted. The fantastical realms induced by DMT, dimethyltryptamine, have captivated the imaginations and scientific scrutiny of explorers, ranging from intrepid psychonauts to clinicians and artists. As these accounts proliferate and coalesce into collective knowledge, a tantalizing question emerges. Can we, by combing through the myriad visions and otherworldly narratives, construct a comprehensive map of the so-called DMT dimension? This chapter ventures into the fascinating territory where anecdote meets scientific observation to explore the most groundbreaking DMT journeys and the emerging collective effort to map this elusive realm. Chronicles of the most famous and influential Dane trips. Terence McKenna's Machine Elves. Terence McKenna, a writer, philosopher, and ethnobotanist, is one of the seminal figures in the psychedelic community. McKenna's recounting of his encounters with entities he termed machine elves or self-transforming machine elves has become a cornerstone narrative in DMT literature. According to McKenna, these beings seem to operate in a realm outside ordinary reality, governing or at least influencing the dynamics of the universe. He frequently pondered whether these entities were manifestations of the psyche or entities from another dimension altogether. Dr. Rick Strassman's clinical studies. In a more controlled setting, Dr. Rick Strassman conducted rigorous clinical research on DMT at the University of New Mexico. The profound and often eerie consistency of the experiences reported by volunteers under scientific conditions has further fueled the curiosity surrounding DMT's powers. For instance, one participant described finding herself in an alien laboratory under the scrutiny of otherworldly researchers. This experience, like many others in Strassman's studies, reinforced the tantalizing possibility that the DMT space could be a real dimension or a shared hallucinatory landscape. Alex Gray's Cosmic Art. The NT realm has also found expression through the visual arts. Alex Gray, a visionary artist, has been profoundly influenced by his experiences with DMT and other psychedelics. His art offers a glimpse into the intricate divine architecture he perceives during his trips. Notable pieces like Net of Being depict a universe made up of interconnected consciousness, almost like a cosmic internet. His work has been embraced as a visual lexicon for interpreting the otherwise ineffable DMT experiences. The emergence of a mapped territory toward a collective understanding. As these disparate accounts accumulate, the once blurry outlines of the DMT realm are coming into focus. A nascent but growing field of researchers is using advanced data analytics to pass through trip reports, seeking patterns and commonalities that can be woven into a coherent map, comparative studies and survey. Researchers have started to compare the visions, entities, and landscapes reported across a diverse range of DMT experiences. By employing statistical methods and machine learning, they aim to identify the most commonly occurring elements, which can then be plotted as landmarks in the DMT space. The integration Neuroscience. Parallel to these experiential mappings are developments in neuroscience that utilize technologies like fMRI and EEG scans to study brain activity during DMT trips. The hope is that identifying the neural correlates of certain DMT experiences will provide a physiological grounding for the mapping efforts. Conclusion. The nexus of mystery and understanding. While the DMT realm continues to elude full comprehension, the boundaries between individual experiences and collective understanding are beginning to blur. Whether it's the machine elves of McKenna, the clinical rigor of Strassman, or the visionary canvases of Gray, each contributes a piece to the evolving puzzle. The journey toward mapping this mysterious dimension is an ongoing odyssey, but one that promises to expand our understanding of consciousness, reality, and perhaps even the fabric of existence itself.